Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix fast charging not working on your Realme 16 Pro Plus. So, first you want to check the cable and the charger for any damage or compatibility. This is very important because sometimes the cable may be damaged, and as you guys can see, I got two cables right here. They're not original for the exact phone, but as you guys can see, they saved their purpose and they both work fine. So there's no issues with them. And what are we gonna do next is, after checking the cable and a charging brick for any damage, we're gonna clean the charging port with a non-metallic tool. So the charging port is right at the bottom here, and we want to make sure that there's no dust inside of it. As you guys can see, I'm looking at it, there's no dust, they are just fingerprints, so it is normal. And of course, if you have any issues, then you can use a soft brush or an air compressor. Air compressor might do a better job here because it's a little bit tight, and the soft brush may just damage it. But what are we going to do after cleaning it? We're going to make sure that fast charging is enabled in the settings. So let's open up the settings app, go to battery, and now in the battery, what we want to do is we want to scroll down to charging settings. Here we want to make sure that we enable smart rapid charging, and whenever we're using the power adapter and a cable from the phone, it will charge our device faster. Of course, sometimes it's not true. Sometimes you can plug in a random cable. I'll try this one, and let's see if it works with the smart rapid charging. As you guys can see, it does work. We got the super box and it works just fine. So it has to be compatible, not genuine, but compatible. And now, as a last resort, what you guys can do is just test another fast charger. So you guys can see that I just plugged in the white cable. Now let's plug in this one and see if it works properly. As you guys can see, it's only charging. We do not see anything else here. So that means this cable is just not compatible at all. So as a last resort, what you guys can do is update your software to fix any charging issues. So you can do that by going into System and Update, Software Update, and here it will check for the latest version automatically. So my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. This is very important because it can fix your fast charging that's not working. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.